In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write blog posts using AI based on a YouTube video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn a YouTube video transcript into a well-structured blog post using AI. This is a great way to repurpose video content into a written format that's easier to read, share, and publish. We'll go through the entire process from entering the transcript to reviewing the finished article and its built-in SEO elements. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser and click on the main input field that says Ask Anything. Once you're there, paste the complete transcript from your YouTube video into the prompt box. Using the full transcript gives the AI enough context to create a detailed and accurate blog post that captures the main ideas from the original video. Since video transcripts are often quite long, take a moment to carefully scroll through the prompt area and make sure the entire transcript has been pasted correctly. Continue scrolling all the way to the bottom until you've confirmed that none of the text has been cut off. Verifying this before submitting your request helps ensure the AI has all the information needed to produce the best possible results. After reviewing everything, click the black upward arrow button on the right side of the input box to send your prompt. The AI will begin generating your blog post. As the response appears, you'll notice that it starts with a clear title and an engaging introduction that introduces the main topic. Continue scrolling through the article to review the organized body sections, which explain the key ideas in a logical and easy-to-follow format. As you move further down the page, you'll see additional sections that expand on the main concepts, with practical explanations and real-world examples. The article also includes thoughtful comparisons, actionable insights, and helpful guidance that make the content more engaging and valuable for readers. Continue scrolling to review each section as it is generated. Toward the end of the blog post, you'll find a well-written conclusion that summarizes the main takeaways and brings the article to a natural close. Just below the main content, the AI also generates useful SEO elements to help prepare the article for publishing. These include an optimized SEO meta title, a concise meta description, a list of relevant SEO keywords, and a suggested URL slug. With these elements already created, your blog post is organized and ready for final review before publishing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,